So, this is yay or nay. I have allergy in aubergine or begun. We Bengali always have that NEEM-BEGUN during the summer, and so I told my mom prepare this neem leaf, fried neem leaf with sweet potato, Misti Alu, and the taste. What I can say, it's good, but I added Misti Alu, sweet potato, so the bitter taste is too much. I'm not going to have it again, but as my mother already prepared that, so I have to eat. And Madhurima's kitchen is not about only good food, and if anything will be failed, I'll definitely add like this. So enjoy. I'm going to enjoy this bittersweet experience. Actually, it's bittersweet experience. If you want to try, you can try it. Apart from that neem begun, you can try this aloo begun sweet. Apart from this neem begun, you can try this sweet potato and neem. If you like that bitter taste, but I'm telling you, it's so much bitter. Once the sweet potato and fried neem leaves are here, that will be too much bitter.